So it's been 3 weeks since the release of Nano Banana, and the entire model has taken the world by storm. Yes, this is an update for Gemini, but it has been an absolute game changer for the world of AI. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana, the best way that you could use Nano Banana to get the best generations possible, regardless of what you're using Nano Banana for, and also the easiest way for you to start making money with Nano Banana, like right now, literally today, if you are interested in that kind of thing. Now, as someone that does digital marketing, I've been using Nano Banana for the past 2 weeks, and it has been an absolute game changer for my business. Now, I'm not just going to talk too much. I'm just going to get right in. If you go on Gemini.google, you can get access to Nano Banana. The easiest way for you to get access to Nano Banana is just to go to Google and search for Nano Banana. And then when it opens, you click on the Gemini link that it will take you to. So you just click on Google Gemini here, and it will take you to the chatbot, the regular Gemini chatbot. Now, you can, when you're on the chatbot, you can literally just click here to switch to Nano Banana, which is the latest image model for Gemini. So the fastest way for you to get the best generations on Gemini, if you're trying to compose different images to get a particular type of shot, is for you to use something like Canva. So if I go on my Canva now, you can see some of the examples that I've actually done. You can see I merged a few images together. The best way for you to get the best results is for you to keep a little bit of spacing, white spacing between the images. So if you want the AI to understand perfectly what the images on your input image is, you want to make sure that you separate them, so there should be at least clear white space between the images, so it could tell, okay, this is a different image, this is a different image. That's the best way. So I combined these 4 different images to get this result. Now, this is the result I got from combining these 4 images. Now, you can see the result here. This is the 2 models, this is the product, and this is the tote bag. Now, I did this a couple of times. For example, I tried it with this hawk one here, and because of the way the images are, it couldn't follow the prompt correctly. If I go here, you can see the prompt here. He got it somehow. It was okay, but he messed up the models. You can see this lady is actually carrying this lady, and this one is the hawk is actually carrying the tote bag, which is not what I wanted for this generation. And I tried it a couple of times, it still didn't work. That's an error that you always encounter. You just have to probably close Gemini and then start again, because if you try to keep generating it, it's still going to give you the same error like it did here for me. Now, I tried it with a couple of examples. I'm not just going to go over all of them, but the best one I got was this one, this image. You can see it got everything spot on, and then this one is the best. I combined these 3 images. I'm just going to put it on the screen, and then this is the result it gave me. Spot on, perfect. This is like perfect. You can see the model is the same person, the same hoodie, and the same exact tote bag. No change whatsoever. And also this one. Now, I said I'm going to show you the easiest way for you to start making money with Nano Banana. I'm just going to get right into it. Now, if you go on Google and search for Facebook ads library, you are going to go to see on Google like this. I'm just going to search on Facebook ads library right here, so you can see. If you go on Facebook ads library, you can see a whole lot of people here advertising on Facebook right now. These are the information of people actually advertising right now. So this is not the information of people that advertised maybe last year or a month back. This is like active. You can see most of the ads are active here. You can see all of them active. So the easiest way for you to make money with this is by actually using Nano Banana to create product images for brands. So you can literally reach out to brands to do this, but you might not know the brands that actually have the money to pay you for such high quality images. So the easiest way for you to phase out the people that can pay you and the people that can't pay you is for you to come to Facebook ads library. Anyone that's currently running ads on Facebook, they have a little bit of money to spend, if we're being honest. So you want to come to ads library, and then you want to look for products that you can actually use Nano Banana to recreate a better product image for them. So for example, I saw this bag here. The bag is looking nice, but the product images here for the ads, they're like really poor quality. So what I did is I grabbed a few of the products that they're actually selling, which is this tote bag, and then I came to Nano Banana and I created this stunning product image that looks so professional with Nano Banana in just 30 seconds. It took me like 30 seconds to create this. And this is something that you can actually reach out to the brand advertising or that owns this product and tell them, this is what I created for you. If you would like for me to create more of this for you, this is how much I charge. This is how much you can pay me. Super easy. You don't have to stress. You don't have to do anything. This is how easy it is for you to start making money with Nano Banana right now. And I've been doing this. I do a lot of marketing, and trust me, it's a hassle for you to start collecting products from brands and start thinking of ways to Photoshop it to take photos of the products. You have to start working with the photographer. It could take weeks for them to send you back the photos. You can literally do it in 1 second, in like 1 minute with Nano Banana right here, and the quality is absolutely insane, mind-blowing. So that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you found this useful. I'll just leave all of the images that I generated with Nano Banana here and how I got those images, and you can try it out for yourself to see if it works for you. I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.